Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our 6.2 topic, length of a line segment. So we have to find the length of this line, Okay, we have to find the length of this line. Okay, these are 2 points A and B. Okay, in a plane, in XY plane. This is A and this one is B point. So coordinate of A are 1, 1 and B are 7, 9. Okay, according to C, if we will draw a line vertically and horizontally from A to C and B to C, the coordinate of C are along x-axis. It is start from 1, right? So its point is 7. This point is 7. This point is 7 along x-axis, and along y-axis it is 1. This one. So it is 7 and 1. Yes, Rumisa, got it? I will explain again. Okay, these points, this point given it is 1, 1, this one, and this point is given it is 7 and 9. Okay, according to x it is 7, and according to y it is 9. It is middle of 8 and 10. Then we have to find the C point. C point are if we taking a parallel line along x-axis, this parallel line and this parallel line along y-axis. Then along x-axis, it is this point is 7, because this is the point here. I will mark. This is the point along x-axis, middle 6 and 8, middle of 6 and 8. It is 7, and middle of 8 and 10 is 9. So here, according to x-axis, it is 7. According to y, it is 1. Okay, now we have to find the distance of AB. Okay, distance of AB. How to find distance of AB? AC is, we will subtract 7 minus 1 for finding AC. For finding AC value, how to find? We will subtract 7, this x-axis, from this x-axis. And for y-axis, 9 minus 1. Okay, so BC is 9 minus 1. Okay, Ramisa? So AC is AC, the length of AC point, because this is start from 1, this is end at 7. Okay, so 1 to 7, it is 6. Distance of A to C is 6 unit, and distance of B to C is, what is B to? Start from 1 and end at 9. So 9 minus 1 is 8, right? Okay, now we will start move next. Okay, when we are finding these points, we have to find the length of AB. What is length of AB? This length. We have to find this length, AB. This length, AB. This length we found it is 6. This length we found it is 9. So we have to find this length. Okay. So which theorem we will use here? Which theorem we will use here? That we already read it about this theorem in grade 7, I think. Yes, grade 7. So for finding the length of this is, it is right angle triangle. So this is perpendicular, this is base, and this one is hypotenuse. According to this, we will use Pythagoras theorem. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, then Okay, we have AC value is 6, BC value is 8. So square of these two are 100. And if we will take the square root of this, it will be 10. Got it? So it's mean, what is formula we develop here? It is AB is equal to square root of which point? First point is, this is AC. AC is x2 minus x1. Which one is x2? Uh, Wait. This one is x2. This point is x2. This one is x1, y1. And this one is x2, y2. Right? So x2 minus x1 is the distance of AC. X2 minus x1 whole square is the distance of AC, because we are taking 6 square after that. Then we are taking the square of y2 minus y1. We took the square. Here we substitute the values of 6 and 8. Okay. Then we took the square root of this. So we got it is 10. Okay. In short, this is the formula. This formula, we usually call it as a distance formula of 2 points. Yes, Rumisa, is it clear?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Okay, and now we will move next. So this formula is here. Instead of writing the length of line segment PQ as this, we can also write it as in this form. Okay, so this is the formula. Here they are mentioning this formula or this formula is both are same. Okay, x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square, because they have the squares. That's why their answers are same. Okay, when we are taking the square x2 minus x1 and we got it is 6, y2 minus y1 we got it is 8. But if we are taking x1 minus x2, the sign will be opposite. Sign will be opposite and we will get the same answer because of squares. Because of square. Do I need to explain this point?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Look at here. These are the points. These are points here. Okay. I will erase this. This one is x1. This one is y1. This one is x2. This one is y2. Okay. If we are taking x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Take x2. x2 is 7 minus x1 is 1. Okay. Then y2 is 9 and y1 is 1. Got it? Then it is 6 square and it is 8 square. That will be 100. Right? This is the answer for this formula. That we do now according to x minus x1. x1. Now we are applying this formula. Okay. Now take x2, x1. x1 is 1 minus 7. X2 is 7. Okay. Then Y1 is 1 and 9. Y2 is 9. So here it is minus 6 square, and this one is minus 8 square. Now it will be 36 and it will be 64. Because of square, the answer of negative numbers will be positive. So it is 100. So it's mean if we are using this formula or this formula, both are same. Now is it clear? Hello?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now we are moving forward. Okay, then so this is the explanation I have done for you because both formulas are same. Okay. Question number exercise. Find the length of the line segment. Find the length of the line segment. Now the points are A is 2, 3 and B is 9, 7. So the line segment is AB. We have to find the length of BA or AB. So what formula we will apply here? AB is equal to, we will consider this point and this point. First point is x1, y1 and second point is x2, y2, right? A point is x1, y1. So we are applying formula here, x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. What is x2? x2 is 9 minus x1 is 2. Then y2 is 7 and y1 is 3. Now it is 7 square and this one will be 5 square. No, 4 square. It is 4 square. This one will be 49, 49 and this is 16. Now what is this? 5, 65. 9165. Yes, 65. So what is the square root of 65? Do you have calculator?
Yes, miss.
Okay, then find square root of 65. What is square root of 65? Teresa, are you there? Are you listening me?
Yes, miss.
So what is square root of 65?
Miss, I can't find my calculator.
I don't have calculator.
Eight 8.06, miss.
Yes, so it is 8.06 units. Right? This formula we will apply for the all parts. You can also apply the other formula x1 minus x2 whole square. That is also will give you the same answer. Yes, any confusion?
No, miss.
Have you done this?
Yes.
Okay, so we will clear this. Okay. Now its B part is, similarly, we will solve its B part. B part is C, 3 and 6, and D is minus 5 and 9. Okay, now I'm taking its x1, y1, and x2, y2, right? Then we will apply the distance of for finding the length of the line. It is C T is equal to x2 minus x1 square and plus y2 minus y1 square. What is x2? x2 is minus 5 minus 3. x1 is 3, so it will be minus 3. Then y2 is 9 minus 6 square. So it will be minus 8 square, and this one will be 3 square. So it is 64, and this one will be 9. So it will be 73. So take the square root of 73.
8.54.
8.54.
54.
Yes, it is 8.54 units. How many questions you did in class?
Till question number 2, miss.
Up till question number 2?
Yes.
Okay. We will complete, inshallah. Okay. Have you done this? So can I erase
Yes,
now?
miss.
Okay. Now it is EF. E is, third part is E. 1, minus 1 and 4. And F is 8 and minus 3. So consider that this is x1, this one is y1, and this is x2 and y2. Now apply the formula. EF, we have to find the length of EF. So for finding the length of EF, I will apply now here this formula. We can apply any of them. So x1 is minus 1, x2 is minus 8. And y1 is 4, and y2, it will be minus minus will be plus. So can I write it directly or write in a bracket?
Yes, you can write it directly.
Okay. So I can write directly. So it will be plus 3. Plus 3. Okay, now it is 9 square, and this one will be 4 plus 7 is 3 is 7 square. So this one is 81, this one is 49. Take the square root of this, 81 plus 49.
130.
130 square root.
11.4.
11.4 units. Yes, 11.4 units. Okay, this is for EF part. So can I erase now?
Yes, miss.
Okay, D part is G minus 10 and 2. And H part is minus 4 and minus 7. Okay, according to this, it is G, H. So we can apply x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. Okay, x2 is minus 4. Minus 4 plus 10, because minus minus will be plus. And then minus 7 minus 2. It is 6 square, and this one will be 9 square. Then it is 36, and this one will be 81. So what is the answer for this? It's a 7, 8, 1, no, 11. 78117. Answer is 10.8.
Yes.
10.8 units. Okay. Now, next question is, if the distance between the point A and B is 10, now distance is given, find the possible value of P. So, for question number 2, here distance of AB is given. So, first we will apply the formula x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus 1 square. So, x2 is, points are, these are the points. I will write here, this point is x1, y1, and this point is x2, y2, right? Now I will apply these all points. X2 is 0, y1 is p, x1 is p. So it is square. And y2 is p, and y1 is 0. And AB distance is given, that is 10. This one is given. Okay, this distance is given because they mentioned here, if the distance between the point AB is 10, then find the possible value of P. Then it is 10. It is P square, and this one is also P square. So it will be 2P square. Right? P minus 0 minus P, and this one will be P square. Okay, take the square root of 2, and P will come out from the square root. So take square root of 2 is what?
1.41.
1.41.
1.
Okay. Now divide it by 10. 1.41 is equal to P.
Seven point zero nine two.
7.092. Okay, we will write it. Plus minus. Here the distance is given, that is already plus minus. So we can write it because it's in the answer. So we will also write this plus minus 7.09. Okay. Have you done this?
Yes, miss.
Okay.